K turns choirs in the bay. Carbon fiber teaches night to obey. I don't chase luck, I set the tone. Dashboard, kingdom fully grown. Fully grown. Diamond grid on fingertip, paddles click like fate. Discipline is horsepower, focus calibrates. Neon rivers, marble thoughts, boulevard of strife. Every quiet morning put this thunder in my drive. Contracts tucked in glove, legacy in gear. I tune my inner weather till the forecast stay clear. Lanes like gold runes, reading what I wrote. Every mile a signature note. If the climb looks steep, I add another gear. If the doubt gets loud, I tune the engineer. Royal isn't loud, it's near. Composed, sincere. V12 halo, sing above the street. Choirs on the 808s, victory in the sea. V12 halo, night learns how I glow. Luxury's the afterglow of everything I sow. V12 halo, crown inside the tone. I make the storm my metronome. Rev, release, align, ascend. Curves, obey the lines I send. Rev, release, align, ascend. Limits fold, intentions bend. Harbor later, runway soon, itinerary of kings. But first this road and what discipline brings. Ghosted doubts in the mirror fall. I build my comfort for every stall. Leather whispers, you were built for rise. Wind delivers uncut skies. I run my standards like a firm. Return on focus, long term. If the rain throws doubt, I read the tire. Balance, patience, higher wire. I don't beg the crown, I build the choir. Purpose on fire. V12 halo, sing above the street. V12 halo, night learns how I glow. V12 halo, I invest in mornings, compound through the night. Turn small routines to sovereign light. When comfort waves her velvet hand, I tighten grip and hold the plan. When shortcuts promise sugar high, I fuel with